Alright guys, we finally made it to the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration and I'm excited. I have my Olympus Om-1 here loaded with some Fuji Pro 400H and I'm pretty excited to take some shots out here. It's my first time out here and it looks gorgeous. There's some water and there's some trails. So let's go onto these trails and see what we can get. I found this pretty cool spot over here on my walk back and I'm glad I did because it looks pretty awesome. There's that little drop off waterfall over here. There's a lot of trash everywhere, so I'm guessing some homeless people might be living out here, but I don't know, it looks beautiful out here.
My guy's pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.